Nowadays, everyone is using ChatGPT and DeepSeek for their daily use. And day by day, their response rate is getting worse for the free users. After using few minutes, it's asking for upgrade. You can solve this issue by installing OpenAI and DeepSeek module locally in your computer. So guys, let's get started. At first, we need to go to olama.com. We need to click here. If you are Mac user, go for the Mac version. If you are Linux user, go for the Linux version. As I'm using Windows 11 currently right now, so I have downloaded the Windows 11 version. After downloading the file, you need to install that and you will have interface like this one. From this interface, you can choose different modules. Like I'm currently downloading the DeepSeek one, DeepSeek 8 billion module for this video. After that, I will try this one, GPT OOS 20 billion. This one is the Chat GPT one, OpenAI one. I will try the 20 billion version because I don't have that much space or that much capacity in my computer. In next video, I will try to install the 120 billion version. Let's wait for the DeepSeek R1 8 billion version. After downloading this one, I will continue this video. As you can see, the download is completed. I think it's extracting some of the files. Let's wait some time. It's thinking in Chinese language. I don't know why it's thinking in Chinese. I think I can change the settings. I don't see any settings here. Let's wait. Let's ask it if it can answer me in English because I don't know Chinese, guys. Yeah, it's currently it's thinking in English. Let me show you my GPU usage. Currently I'm using Radeon RX 570 and it is almost like 90%. As you can see from this screen, it's currently like hitting like 87, 88. Let's ask it if it can write me an application for leave. Guys, I'm using the 8 billion one. If you are trying the 12 billion or 20 billion one, it may not take that much time because I have tried 20 billion one in another computer and that one is way faster than this one. So in this thinking process, it's showing each and everything, how it will respond and what will be its response. In thinking process, it may take some time, but in respond, it will be much more quicker. Let's see. The fun fact is I'm currently running it from my local PCs. For your better understanding what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn off my Wi-Fi and let you guys know that yes, it's working offline. So let's turn it off. As you can see, I don't have any kind of internet connection right now. I'm just telling it that my name is Faridul Islam. Just put my name in the application. I don't know why it's taking that much time. Let's see the usage of my GPU. Oh, it's hitting over 90. I think it's overthinking as a GPT. Yeah, of course. It's overthinking. So it was a very bad idea to use the 8 billion version. I will definitely go for the 20 billion and much more higher, 50, 60 or 70 or 120. It took around 102.8 seconds to think. Wow, great. Oh wow, now it's suggesting some of the blanks like date, in date, and it's offering other options like my mail address, my phone numbers. Great. So I'm gonna stop it because I don't need it currently right now. You can use the different versions. Like you can use this one. The best suggestion will be the GPT 120 billion one. For that you need a dedicated higher end GPU and much more space in your computer. You need to keep in mind that. Let's connect to my Wi-Fi. So guys, in this video I have shown you how you can download Olama and use the different modules. If you have a higher end PC, it will act like the web version. Lack of time and hardware support, currently I am unable to show you this now, but you can try this in your PC, and if you face any problem, let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to answer. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.